Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram posts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we need just to go to our Instagram application. After that, we will need just to go to our account and we will need just to enable the professional mode. So only the professional mode that will give us the ability or the feature to schedule our Instagram posts. So first, you need just to go to the navigation bar, settings and privacy, and then we need to enable professional mode on our account. So basically, we will need just to search for this section that says for professionals. We click on creator tools and controls. We click on it, and basically, I'm already enabling the professional mode, so that's why I have multiple choices here. For your case, you will have only two options. You will need just to choose the enable or switch to professional account. After that, we need just to return to our account and start uploading anything that we would like. I'm just going to click on the plus icon here that will allow us to upload. Now we choose any post or any image. Next, Next, you can add any sounds or anything that you would like, and here you can find reminder. So basically, now we can just go to advanced settings and you can have some posts, Facebook, etc. So here we can find schedule these posts. We click here and basically now you can add whenever you want this post to be uh, published. We go back, we share post, and it will be shared on the day that you have scheduled. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.